Why should you care? Your kidneys are like your body's silent janitors. They remove waste, balance fluids, control blood pressure, and even make red blood cells. But when they're damaged by diabetes, high blood pressure, or inflammation, toxins build up. Early signs of kidney trouble: fatigue, puffiness, poor sleep, and changes in urine. The CDC says over 90% of people with early kidney damage don't know it. That's why prevention is everything. And food? It's your first line of defense. The 13 kidney-supporting superfoods: 1. Cabbage, low in potassium/sodium, high in vitamin K and fiber. Use as crunchy taco wraps or in stir-fries. 2. Fatty fish. Salmon and mackerel deliver omega-3s that fight inflammation and lower blood pressure. 3. Bell peppers, colorful, low potassium, and packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Dip them in hummus or roast with herbs. 4. Cranberries. Not just for UTIs, their proanthocyanidins stop bacteria from clinging to kidneys. Avoid sweetened juices. Go fresh or unsweetened. 5. Blueberries, the #1 antioxidant fruit, shown to reduce kidney inflammation and even repair damage. Toss into oatmeal or yogurt. 6. Dark leafy greens. Kale and spinach are loaded with iron and vitamin K, high in potassium. If you have kidney issues, talk to your doctor first. 7. Olive oil. Swap butter for extra virgin olive oil. Its healthy fats lower cholesterol and reduce kidney stress. Drizzle on salad. Choose extra virgin for max antioxidants. 8. Garlic. Allicin in garlic fights kidney inflammation as effectively as some drugs. Sauté with veggies or add to sauces. 9. Onions. Quercetin in onions battles cancer and heart disease. Caramelize them for soups, stews, or kidney-friendly burgers. 10th. Cauliflower. Versatile and detoxifying. Roast it, rice it, or mash it. Moderate portions if you monitor phosphorus. 11th. Egg whites, 820 to 840. Pure protein without the yolk's phosphorus. Perfect scrambles or omelets for late-stage kidney support. 12th. Arugula peppery, nutrient-dense and rich in cancer-fighting glucosinolates. Toss into pizzas or salads. 13. Apples. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. Fiber plus quercetin control blood sugar and cholesterol. Bite an apple. The ultimate snack. Tips and mistakes to avoid one. Rotate these foods, don't just eat one. 2. Skip the salt. Use garlic, herbs, and lemon instead. Excess sodium strains kidneys. 3. Hydrate. Water is your kidney's best friend. Aim for 8 glasses per day. If you have kidney disease, consult with a renal dietitian. Some foods may need portion control. Subscribe for more health tips and useful information.